guys! So I wanted to walk y'all through what I call my short hair don't care routine with my friends at Bedhead using the electric green 1/2" mini ceramic flat iron. I'm going to show y'all basically how I style my hair now that it's really short. First of all, once I wash and dry my hair, I like to start section by section. What I like about this straightener is that it is super tiny, and with the many layers of my hair, it can straighten even just the shortest layer. I will say that this works very well, like I said, on short hair or really fine hair. All in all, I really love this for my new look that I'm sporting, and it's the only tool that I have to use, and I just love it.